BSL, English audio with subtitle support. Plas Mawr High Street, Conwy. Plas Mawr is one of the UK's finest surviving Elizabethan townhouses. Notable original features include elaborate plaster decor inside. It was built from 1576 onwards for Robert Wynne, 1520 to 1598. He was the third son of John Wynne ap Meredydd, who inherited lands in the Conwy Valley which had belonged to Aberconwy Abbey after its relocation from Conwy to Mainan. Robert was too junior to inherit his father's wealth. While serving members of the Tudor nobility, he travelled widely in Britain and abroad, probably witnessing many battles. He was lame from a leg wound sustained in military action in France. He invested some of his savings in part ownership of a ship which imported French wine through Conwy before starting to buy the land he needed for his ostentatious new home in the town. Plas Mawr was built in 3 periods, starting at the upper end of the site. The part facing High Street is the gatehouse, added in 1585. You can see the pre-1585 entrance halfway up Crown Lane. Robert had 7 children with his second wife, Dorothy. He was buried in a distinctive tomb in St Mary's Church. Plas Mawr eventually passed through marriage to the Mostyn family, who had many other homes. From the 18th century, the subdivided house was let to local families, as you can read on our page about the grave of resident Hepzibah Williams, 1824. The gatehouse was a courthouse for a time. An infant school occupied part of the house, with a caretaker and 2 teachers living in the gatehouse from 1836 to 1886, when the Royal Cambrian Academy of Art took over the building at Lord Mostyn's invitation. The RCA held exhibitions in the building, but maintenance eventually became too big a burden, and in 1993 the RCA moved to a converted chapel behind Plas Mawr. The photo by the late Hugh Pritchard shows part of Plas Mawr in 1962. Plas Mawr was carefully restored by Cadw. The external limewash reproduced the original wall covering, but was something of a shock to local residents, familiar with the bare stonework.